Indian poultry industry is a phenomenal growth story. From what was just a backyard activity at farms and rural households, today it is a strong organized sector. India has emerged as the world's second largest egg producer and fifth largest broiler producer with a growth rate of 12 to 15% every year. Since 1967, almost half a century, the Janaki Group has been an integral part of this growth story. Beginning as a manufacturer of cattle and poultry feed, the founder of the group, Sri Chalimeda Anandarao, set a course which is at the heart of the Janaki Group's growth.
The reason for improvement is the improvement of the market, the trust the poultry farmers impose on us, the way we maintain the quality.
The first coordinate was to connect with farmers and end users to create a network of trust and reliability with a sense of partnered growth. The second was to have a strong in-house research and development base and continuous product improvements and launch of new products. The third was to extend the scope of activities through forward and backward integration and create new value chains. In 2004, the Janaki Group entered into breeding operations. The initial capacity was of 1,200,000 day-old Janaki cob chicks per month. The capacity is being scaled up today in pace with the growth of demand. Chalimeda Feeds, an enterprise in the Janaki Group fold, specializing in cattle, poultry and MU feeds since 1995, is spearheading a major backward integration move. A solvent extraction plant for soya is being established to produce soya cake as raw stock for feeds and soya oil as an offshoot business opportunity. Here too, the Janaki Group's strong linkages with primary suppliers, the farmers, is being leveraged. In 2002, the Janaki Group established Vimla Feeds. Today, it is a flagship unit of the Janaki Group. Vimla Feeds manufactures high-quality pellet and crumble feed at its state-of-the-art plant around Shamirpet within the suburbs of the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. The feed processing system is designed for zero contamination and sterile benchmarks. The process lines, including boa compactor, enhances starch digestibility of feeds, optimizing nutrient availability and uniform performance. Computer batching and nutrient availability testing did batch-wise of the finished product further ensure the brand promise of Vimla Feeds for quality. The unique practice of bulk loading saves on wastage, bagging and labor costs, benefiting the customers. Vimla Feeds has one of the strongest customer bases in South India, spread across Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. What makes the Janaki Group special to its customers? The difference begins with the way we source our raw materials. Maize, soya and other raw materials come from a trusted network of suppliers. The raw materials are carefully selected and subject to tests for pesticide residues at our multi-level testing facilities. Our state-of-the-art equipment for bioavailability tests the feeds for nutrients. The NIR, near infrared, reduces the conventional time required to assess the nutrients. However, cross-checking is done by estimating the protein by wet chemistry. Continuous implementation of the latest technologies and practices sets us apart and strengthens the value of the Vimla Feeds, Chalimeda Feeds and Janaki brands. The Janaki Group's breeding farms are distinct in their biosecurity designs and disease-free operating practices. They meet the stipulations of industry norms. Our hatcheries produce disease-free day-old chicks in biosecured environments. Experienced veterinary and other professionals monitor and supervise operations to consistently deliver to the quality standards our brand is known for. Our research and development operations add consistent value to our feed products. The broiler and layering R&D farms are the touchstones for evaluating the performance of our feeds, benchmarked to standards for body weight gain, safety, feed consumption, FCR, EEF, and production performance in layers. Our outlook on the future is further emphasized by our in-house R&D facilities for broilers and layers.
Initially, we try different types of formulations in our R&D firm, and then only we release the best feed in the market. That is the advantage farmer gets by using our feed. So, unlike others, we release only the proven feed into the market. So, we don't test on the farmer's farm.
The Janaki Group believes in sustainable, partnered development. We make no compromises on quality. We believe in continuous R&D and innovations to offer new and better products and solutions. Interactions and feedback cycles from supplier to customer end ensures constant improvements. We are proud of our strong and committed dealers network which provide us unflinching support. Our dealers not only reach our products to our customers efficiently, but also give us vital customer feedbacks and market information.
Our focus is the customer. Our aim is farmers' welfare. Our strength is quality and consistency. Our motto is serving the farmer.
The Janaki Group is building on its heritage and market standing to move towards new horizons. The vision is to place before scale the strengths of integrated poultry operations, to build linkages and assets that span the whole cycle, from feedstock sources such as maize and soya to manufacturing the best of feeds, from breeding to marketing eggs and chicken, and then onwards to processing and selling ready-to-use products. The Janaki Group and its flagship brands such as Vimala Feeds are what you can count on in harnessing the great present and even greater future of the Indian poultry sector.